Part 33 of chapter 3. A company of black-habited ones, Christian priests or monks, chanced to meet Jalal one day, as they came from a distant place. When his disciples espied them afar off, they expressed their aversion from them by exclaiming, "Oh, the dark-looking, disagreeable things!" Jalal remarked, "In the whole world, none are more generous than they are. They have given over to us in this life the faith of Islam, purity, cleanliness, and the various modes of worshiping God, while in the world to come, they have left to us the everlasting abodes of paradise, the large-eyed damsels, and the pavilions, as well as the sight of God, of which they will enjoy no share. For God hath said," Quran 7:48, "Verily, but let only the Son of Righteousness rise upon them suddenly, and they will become believers. Being now come near enough, they all made their obeisances to Jalal, entered in conversation with him, and professed themselves true Muslimin. Jalal now turned to his disciples and added, God swallows up the darkness in the light, and the light in the darkness. He also makes in the darkness a place for the light. The disciples bowed and rejoiced. And see, darkness and light can be used in these references, but darkness and light in themselves, it's not a good and evil thing, but darkness being the symbol of being deprived in this sense. But nobody gets a bad afterlife except that they've chosen that position, is the main point we're looking at here. And once you jump into ignorance, who knows how far you're going to fall, right?